Hey there friends, I am unboxing this freezer here. And here we have it. It slides pretty good. I don't know if it has some wheels on the bottom or what. And then this bottom, this just opens up here. There we go, has some instructions right here. And then, interesting, okay, that's cool. Looks like the coil is actually going through the shelving here. I've never seen that before. So the shelf has the cool coils. The coils, refrigerant coils or whatever, are actually inside there, and that's pretty neat. So it has like an additional shelf portion here, looks like. And that's pretty nice, just in case these break or something. Or looks like, let's see, that goes there. Okay, this is for this one here. So how do these go on there? Looks like just like this. That slides in there. Okay, yeah, so they slide in right on those, and that goes right over the coil. Okay, cool. That opens and closes nicely. Some decent room in here, actually. And I believe these are adjustable. So if your thing is a little bit off, you can tighten or loosen these little legs here. So I'm going to plug it in, and we'll give it a few hours here and tell you what I think about it. All right, friends, I just want to show you, it has little rollers on the back. So it's super easy to move this around if you have it in your garage. Simply just lift up the front of this and it just scoots along really well. And like I said, those bottom ones, they are adjustable, so you just twist them however you want. So I just plugged it in. Decently long cord. It's about 6 feet long. So we'll put some stuff in here, and I think I got a thermometer and I can tell you how cold it is. So we're gonna let it sit for a little while and come back and show you guys. Let me throw some cheese in there real quick. No, actually, I think I'll put something that's in the refrigerator in there, so that way I know it's actually freezing. Or I don't even need to do that, do I? Because I can just test it with my infrared reader, and it'll tell you. Okay, friends, well, it's been a couple hours here, so let's check it out, the temperature now. And let's see. Getting pretty chilly in here, actually. So, almost a little higher up, but definitely down lower, 27 degrees. And 29, so getting chilly, and works pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. There's the little adjustment there in the back. You can make it colder if you want to. So it seems to be, it's really quiet when it's running as well. Seems to have like good insulation here on the doors. I don't really feel any air leaks or anything like that. I haven't taken the plastic off yet. I'll take that off later. But yeah, nice, looking for a nice little freezer. This thing's convenient, doesn't take up a lot of space, and like I said, you can hear it right now, it's running. It's pretty quiet. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you next time.